Alright.
Oh, he come and come with
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's your main food.
Hi guys.
Hey fam.
Welcome back to another video. So today, me and mom are in the kitchen. We are going to be doing a little bit of prepping, as you saw from the title of the video. Because the days are so hot nowadays, we don't really plan to be in this kitchen 24/7, 58/8. So
58/8?
yeah, 58/8. We don't really plan to be in the kitchen that much, so we are taking some days sometimes and prepping some stuff, and then it makes it easier when you come in the kitchen and just warm it up and do a little thing from there. So today we are going to be prepping some tortillas. First off, that's what mom is doing right there. She's making our tortilla dough, and then I will roll them out and stuff, and we go in between with the rolling and then putting it in the pot to cook and stuff like that. But after she mixes the dough, it has to rest a little bit so that you get that nice soft texture. So that's going on here. We have some meat that we'll also be prepping. So we have chicken leg and thighs. We got this at the supermarket, and we also have some ground mince, but these are still pretty tough, so we're gonna give them a little bit more time.
You can put the chicken and some water, but not the ground beef.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do meatballs, or we're gonna do that's not enough. So either meatballs. So we're gonna make hamburgers.
Yeah, come in
burger
it's enough
patties.
for meatball. If I make meatballs out of these, we'll have to make mini meatballs.
We can get a reasonable amount, but we're not
probably can't see it there. No, you have to split it in half.
And then I'm gonna use these chicken thighs. We are gonna use them to make some. You'll see some boneless. We're gonna debone them and sort of, but we'll carry in on that one a little more, not a little more in depth than that one.
Yeah.
So take it.
We prepped some stuff before. We did hamburger buns, we did hot dog rolls and stuff like that, and within a week or two they kind of finish up. Well, the hamburger bun them still.
The hamburger,
yeah, we still have more hamburger bun.
How much? You made about 3?
No, 6. I think about 4. No, 6, 7. What was 7 we have left back? 3, 4 inside there. So.
Oh, hamburger. Me talk about hot dog.
Yeah, no, hot dog. We only have 3 left back.
Next time we can.
3.
Yeah.
We didn't do a lot of hamburger buns.
We did quite a lot with them.
We didn't do a lot of hot dog. Yeah, we didn't do a lot of hot dog. So we might do another one of those maybe further down in the week or so. But
that's like a 2 batch.
Yeah, but we don't really eat hot dog as much as we really think. No, that really.
No, we don't eat a lot.
Because after me eat them 2 years with them, I really want to buy fruits every year.
Yeah, but Dad we eat it.
Yeah, but they will eat it. Yeah,
they will have a hot dog because when he wakes in the morning, just having coffee.
It's easier.
And when he reach 10:30, 11 at that time, so him can eat well. Just take out him bread and just soften it up and make a frankfurt.
Yeah, it's easier.
Yeah, it's easier for him.
So we are going to get our kettle boiling up to get some hot water to make the dough for this, and then we'll come back and show you when we're mixing it up. Okay guys, so mom's portion of the prepping is kind of paused for now. I am going to roll out the tortillas and basically just kind of make them. So our dough is nice and soft now. You see how nice and soft and pliable it is. Lovely. So I'm just gonna roll out a piece. I have my little pan over there on the stove. Okay guys, come on. So we have finished our wraps. We did quite an amount.
Yes, a whole bunch. You see that?
This is how much.
Remember I told you it was a lot of
dough.
A lot of dough. So
this is the amount we did.
Then?
So what we'll have to do now,
we're gonna let them cool out a little more, and then we are gonna
section them up a bit.
Section them up like the same ones that are the same size. We're gonna plastic wrap them
and put them in Ziplocs to go into the
refrigerator. So we show you that.
Because we wouldn't put these in the freezer.
No,
honestly, so. These
can last a long time in the refrigerator.
The fridge,
so we're gonna pack them.
That's what we're gonna do.
So we're going on to the
mince.
the mince. You're gonna make what's the thing you're making? Burger buns.
Burger patties.
Burger patty. Lord, ma, help me.
Guys, I tired me time. Roll out my ankle. Me not more strength left, but
okay.
But this is our mince, and we are going to proceed first with just chopping up our seasonings in our food processor. That's what I'm gonna
because like when you basically do so much things, you do like prepping, you need some of these other things to let you go.
Yeah, so I have my bowl to mix up everything. For seasonings, we just have our little regular basil, paprika, cumin, and then for just natural seasonings, we have onions, and we have sweet peppers and garlic.
Yeah, maybe you might want to come out and come and ask the different 2 pieces of scallion out of the garden.
Okay. Well, this are 7 pegs, so.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
so
7 pegs.
actually, we have this thing that people are asking: should we wash our mincemeat? I think we should not wash our mincemeat.
I don't think it's necessary.
Yeah, but we have a machine that's supposed to come to us. As soon as it comes to us, we're gonna share with you how you go about getting your minced beef. But get it washed and so and mince it after. But for now, I'm telling you, me no mind a burger. So, but for me, when you wash the mincemeat, the texture has literally changed. But we're gonna continue the video. I have some things in the sink, and I'm gonna be doing wash as we go along. So
and then I'm gonna do the.
She's gonna be doing this, and then the next clip I'll be doing some leg and thighs. I'll be showing you a way to do your leg and thighs. You know.
Yeah.
Well, you can just a little different way. We are prepping, you know. So we prep as we go along, and we start doing it. We just are just warming up now to show you how we prep our stuff. So I am going right over here to do some washing up.
Okay, food processor on. I have my onions and my sweet peppers and my smashed garlic and all of that. Putting inside there. I'm not putting too much sweet pepper because sweet pepper can overpower the taste of things, and I don't really like a lot of sweet pepper in my thing anyways. So I am good with just that. Okay. And I have it on like the finer setting because I don't want my seasonings to be too big and bulky inside there. Oh, the smell of them. See? Just like that. Alright, it's time to start seasoning up the meat. Anyways, here's the beef. Time to put it in. Be careful when taking it out. There's this little packet at the back of it that keeps it cool, I would guess. So you have to be careful not to take that out as well. Okay guys, so I finished making all the burger patties. In total I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got 13 in all. They are on the bigger side because mom said to make them a little bit more like custom to how we're going to make the buns. So we're gonna make pretty big buns, I guess. So I tried my best to make the burgers be about the same size. So after I put them on parchment and lined them out and everything, I then put them up in a Ziploc. Each patty has parchment lined at the bottom, so it separates each one of them. You can just easily take it off, just like how you have them in the supermarkets in their respective boxes. It's exactly how I did it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this extra piece of parchment. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces out of it. And this is just to cover these 2 parts, so that they don't get sticked on to the zipper. Release your air. And then on to the next. And that's how we do our burgers. So as I said, I got 13 in total, which is 2 bags. And when we're ready, we'll just take them out, defrost. If you want one, you can take off one and it doesn't affect the others because of the parchment that is lined on it. So it easily takes it off. You don't have to wait for it to thaw, you can just take it off. So I'm now going to put these into my fridge freezer at the bottom down there. And then mom's going to come and show you guys how she debones her chicken, because I'm finished for the day. I'm finished my portion of this. The last thing for us this evening is for mom to debone her chicken and stuff like that. So that's what she's going to do now. Alright guys, so after I finished the hamburger buns, I said mom was going to come back, but I forgot that I had the tortillas to wrap up. So we wrapped them up. I sectioned them off in about 3 bags each. I'm not really sure how much is in each, but I'm going to section them off in a 3 based on how they feel. So this is 1, 2, and then 3. This is all 3 of them.
So you make them know so they are plastic wrap.
Yeah, before. So they're plastic wrap before on the inside here.
Yeah, I will get out all and as much as the ear as we could.
So the plastic wrap kind of just to conceal them, and then put them in
no need to freeze these. These can be kept in your refrigerator over a month. So each time you pull the plastic wrap, and you just take out 1, 2, 3 and just fix back the plastic and put it back in your Ziploc and have the hair, most of the ear left. Okay, so what I will be doing now, I'm showing you in the next clip. Okay, now so I am going to be deboning these. I have 4 of them. 4 of them I'm going to debone them. So I basically want to have I'm showing you how I debone already. I basically want to have these leg and thighs seasoned. I'm going to show you. I just have 4. So I'll just be showing you with the 4. So maybe basically I got to take out the bone. I'm showing you how I debone leg and thigh already, but I still have got something there, you know? Get off the bone. Get out the bone. And these bones, they can be used for stock. You don't have to throw them. You basically want a deboning knife, something like this, or them knife the way you use and take out and fillet fish. I'll be showing you how to fillet fish too at some point when I can buy fish. I don't think I can buy fish now. These are small though. I wish they get bigger ones, you know. Okay, so this wash them. This we can just go right for stock on it. I know when they get frozen, sometimes you can't even see. So I'm gonna be not use much of a, you know, but I'll use this finish. Wow. I remember I did just buy this. This is some like what, teriyaki? So some teriyaki base and glaze, but me I season it with that. Look at teriyaki. This dark and rich. I don't know which part of this dark and rich, but I'm gonna use this. But this is where you can season this, you know, your way. This is just my way. Me just, you know, cause you know, so your seasoning thing not have to be like when me I do. Oh God, oyster. Not a lot of this. Almost like the teriyaki, but different like or something. I never know if me have to put salt on them because they're so salty. Piece of ginger, definitely. I don't want to put too much ginger because they're small and enough, you know. You know the garlic them have it in there. This is just my seasoning that I'm seasoning it with. I think I'm going to put no salt in the farm. I don't think so. Me and the salt. This is our salt, smoked paprika. I put some on it. Want one gloves, but we can't go with no gloves there right about now. So this is just what I'm using. Mainly sauces. You see it? See that? I'm gonna think me have one little piece of. I use this spoon already, man. Me have a piece of turmeric. Me have a grater somewhere. I mean that's grater. No, I'm not grater ally. So turmeric can look young. Yeah, but you can season it how you want to. I'm gonna leave it for marinate a bit now. Yeah. Wow, young turmeric. Lord God, but it smells good. Wow. It have a nice smell, fam. Next clip. All seasoned. So I'm gonna get my hands dirty. I don't mind it, I can always wash my hands. So I'm gonna use this, you see? You see it's seasoned, so I'm gonna roll it up. Like me, I roll something into a ball. I wish I'd gotten bigger ones. Yeah. I want to roll like this. You seen that? Yeah. And then I'm gonna wrap it. I don't want my hand, you wrap it. So Kobe's wrapping it up. Yeah, wrap it tight. So I want it to look like this, fam, but this is too flimsy. It must be tight. Alright, I don't want it going like that. Alright. She never seen me do this before, you know, so that's why she's not really familiar with it. She never seen me do this before. And you make sure so that the ends are properly sealed. If they were bigger too, you know, so something like this I want. And then I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc. So I'm gonna do the 4 of them. I have 3 more left. And if you zip, you want to put it to stand up straight up, but I can't put it to lay down. So you have it like that. So this Ziploc, this Ziploc can hold almost like maybe 8. So I'm gonna do the other 3 and come back and show you. We're sweating. So these are what we have, and as I told you, the bag could hold like, it looked like it could have hold almost a dozen. So these are what they look like. They will be left to froze, they will be left to be frozen. So the whole aim of it is when you, like if you're an on-the-go person and you know you have to work, you have this all prepped, or you have these all prepped already. You can just open a Ziploc, take out one that is frozen, put it in a little container like this and leave it in your refrigerator. When you come, you can just, you know, before it fully thawed out, you just use a toothpick or 2 toothpicks and you just stick it and you have it as you know, you can stuff these with some peppers, some onions. Yes, you can do it with them. You can like saute them at that time and then roll it up with this like all for your hair fryer. If it's a single person, for 2 of you, you just pop 1 or 2. The moisture, the plastic wrap is to keep the moisture in it as it keeps frozen. So when you thaw it and you're ready to cook it, it is all moist. So you just have this one of these, 2 on a little bed of rice, a little mashed potato, or just with a little, you know, green salad right beside it. So we add only 4. You know, we had only 4 for this. But this is the first she's seen me do it. I had done this some time ago, like when she was smaller. She never seen me do this before. So we are prepping, so may I try to get these. These are so handy. I mean, know she look on them and they are these are right up her alley. So this is where the box stops with this video. So come in out the video.
Yeah guys, so we're finished now. We did
for today.
Well, for today obviously, but we're finished with our prepping. We did the chicken, the beef, the tortillas.
I wish I had more
to
do this.
Did we have something else to do? No, just the chicken, beef, and the tortillas, right?
Yeah, we never.
Yeah, so we did the chicken, the beef, and the tortillas.
I couldn't get in there. When I'm doing the beans, that's how different.
Yeah, that would be for a different video. So
we're just like showing you how some of the things can be prepped and you know.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed our little
and if
prepping.
You do, leave a comment below if you want to see us do more meal prep, go into more stuff.
And also if you guys prep, what do you guys
you prep and how do you prep? Right, that is good. Share with us, because you see me already. No, it today sometime at June. I am not gonna be in this kitchen.
Yeah, it's really
summer.
hot inside.
1 or 2 of them I could have take out from early, and then we'd have to pop them in the air fryer, have a little salad or a little rice. As we also will be prepping rice, because sometimes you're in the mood, little mashed potato, whatever you want to have it with, a little pasta and something. But this is what we have for you today. Thanks for watching.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in another one. Bye.